What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Diana, and we got a new YouTube video. Something a little different compared to my other videos on my channel, but you know, it's all about exploring and finding my niche and shit like that. So this video, I got some contacts sent by JUST4KIRA. I was sent 4 contacts based off of my choice by this company. If you're interested in these contacts, after I show you how cute and stuff they are, you can use my code Diana. It'll be up on the screen to get 20% off on your purchase. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what comes all in it and stuff like that. And yeah, and just so y'all know, these contacts will last you a year. So yeah, so let's get into it though. When you first get the box, it comes with this card. It's basically telling you how to put your contacts and stuff like that. And then after the box, it comes with the contacts and stuff. You get two of each for each eye of a box, and you come with your own little contact case or whatever. Not come with solutions, so you got to buy your own solution. I got this from my local Dollar General. You can get this one for Family Dollar, Dollar General. I'm pretty sure Walmart and CVS or anything like that. And this was like $6.50. But anyways, I'm about to try the contacts in for the first time ever. This will ever be my first time putting contacts in, so I'm kind of scared, nervous. I got nails, so I'm so glad. It comes with a applicator, so you can put it in for yourself, which is very helpful because I'm not trying to die today. But yeah, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna put these contacts in my eyes so I can show you guys. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, so we in the bathroom with it. The first contact color I'm gonna try is Solo Gray. I seen this on somebody. I'm like, this is mad cute. I want to try it. So y'all, I don't know what's wrong with this left eye, but that contact will not go in for no reason. It keep falling. I keep having to flip it in and out. It can't. But I got it on this eye. I don't know if y'all can tell. At first, I could not tell, but now looking, I can tell. And it looks so natural. Like, I couldn't tell. Like, did the contact slip inside my eyelids? I could not tell, but I can totally tell. So this is my regular eye, the left side. And this is the contact eye on my right side. It's so pretty natural. I wish the other one would go in, but it don't want to act right for shit. So bump that. So yeah. So we just gonna go into the next pair, but it's really natural. Like, I couldn't even tell. But yeah. That's the great one. It damn near look like my brown eye. Okay, y'all, so the next color I'm gonna put in, it was hard taking the other one. I ain't gonna lie, it kind of I just kept fidgeting until it fell out. The next color I'm gonna put in is Bloom Blue. So let's see how that looks on me. So yeah. This is Bloom Blue. For my black people, I think this is a very pretty natural blue color. It's natural and it's not doing too much and it's straight to the point. I love it. This is Crystal Brown. It's a very pretty kind of like hazel color. I can tell the difference compared to the gray eye, but this is a pretty gentle, natural color. I think this is one of my favorites. This is Neela Green. This is a pretty natural, vibrant green color. I'm sorry for me looking crazy in these clips. I really thought I was going to get these contacts in, but these I really like though. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a couple days later, so that's why my clothes look different. But if you can't tell, I have Crystal Brown on in my eyes. I decided to wear it out today for the first day, and it wasn't that bad. But this eye at first, it was way more uncomfortable, my right eye compared to my left eye. But it's cool. But it's the end of the day. I'm about to take these out my eye and go about my day. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, if you're interested in purchasing some contacts, use my code to get 20% off on your purchase. Till then, bye.